it's like a monster. It's like it wants to pull my fingers. It wants to eat them. Welcome to my channel. I'm Adya and today we are going to make OObleck. What is OObleck? OObleck is a shiny milky white substance known as a non-Newtonian fluid. It flows like thick paint when you pour it, but smash or squeeze it with your palm. It forms a thick blob until you release the pressure. Let's see how to make OObleck. Now let's add the water. And now mix it. Now let's add the paint first. When I apply the pressure, it becomes a solid. But when I release the pressure, it becomes a liquid. Let's see how OObleck works. All fluids have a property known as viscosity. Viscosity describes how thick or thin the fluid is. For example, honey is more viscous than water. If the viscosity of the fluid is constant, that means it is a Newtonian fluid. But OObleck is not constant. It means it can change its viscosity depending on the stress applied on it. That means OObleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. When I poke my finger in the OObleck, it becomes a solid. But when I slowly pour it down, it becomes a liquid. Isn't OObleck a fun and interesting thing to make? You can try it at home, but remember, OObleck is not toxic, but it is a little bit harmful to children. Always make OObleck with an adult supervision and don't allow the OObleck to get into your eyes, and always wash your hands after handling OObleck. But the most important thing is how to dispose it. Don't pour the OObleck in the sink, otherwise it might clog the drain. It is better to use a trash bag and dispose it. Hope you like this video and try it at home. Thank you for watching and bye bye. I'll see you soon with some new experiments and videos. OObleck is such a fun thing to play with.